embarrassing me.
Where you going?
What, Sam? What I do? You know what you did. You always embarrassing me.
How?
You and these females. Why you just can't introduce me as your wife?
I was home. You ain't never give me a chance.
But you do this all the time, Sam.
You don't never give me time. You always just gotta go off the hinge, man.
Hey, how y'all doing?
What's going on?
All
How you
right.
doing, Pastor?
Joy?
Alright. I'm Jasmine Joy.
Hey,
Jasmine. Alright, how you doing?
It's my wife right here.
Alright, that's good.
She alright?
Yeah, man. She always wanna start something.
See, now there you go, putting people in our business.
Man, we really do need some counseling, man. We really do, man. You know, I really want to start this on up.
We got a church over there. Something I want to call and get this service.
What's be a good time? So we both can
Well, here's our business card.
All right.
You know, it's New Faith Outreach Ministries. We do marital counseling, and whenever you're available, you just call us or email us, and we'll be more than welcome to have y'all come in.
Okay, where is this church located? Because we are new to the area.
Okay,
We
well,
don't
the
know our
address-
way around here.
Okay, well, the address is on there. It's literally by the program, the Westfield Center.
Okay.
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 All right. Well, we hope to see y'all soon. All right. Y'all have a good day.
Uh-huh.
All right.
I don't want to hear it said. I don't want to hear it.
Service was good.
Yeah, a lot of people came in this system.
Yeah, we did. Some new faces and everything.
Just be my husband.
Hey.
No, you're not.
Oh, how you doing, man?
Hey,
How you doing, Pastor? How you doing,
all
Pastor?
right.
That's
First
good.
lady, how you doing?
All
How you
right.
doing?
Great.
What y'all got going on?
So I just talking a little bit, man. Just,
Yeah.
a little conversation, though.
Y'all enjoy the service?
Love to see it pan out. Things are pan out.
Okay.
Well, I do.
The pastor thinking we need
We
counseling.
do need counseling.
No, we don't
Look
need
the
no
stuff you be
counseling.
doing.
What?
Matter of fact, hey, Pastor.
Oh, Jesus. Now what not said.
This is something that need to be did.
Yeah, brother.
I think we do need counseling, sir.
All right. Well,
I really do think we need counseling.
thank you.
Things are
All
good.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
I think you can help us out.
Yeah, I can. I'll give you a date and a time. We can get on.
Or
What you
better
think?
yet, when would y'all be available?
I don't think we need counseling. I think you just need to be my husband.
I try to be, but you always got to have some kind of stuff going on. You always got to talk, and you won't listen to your husband.
I try, but you don't make it easy for me.
That's why we need counseling.
Well, what you think? Maybe you can have a one-on-one session with him, and I'll have a one-on-one session with her.
That's the point. He's a business guy. He's never here. So how is that going to happen?
Okay. Well, when are you available next time?
Never.
I'll probably be available Wednesday. I'll be back in town Wednesday after this business trip.
And when you available?
I guess anytime.
Yeah, I don't think that's
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
Okay, that's no problem. Well,
We
we
just
hope to
about-
see y'all next week, and I'll be getting with you. I do have your number, so I'll be getting with you when we can have a one-on-one session.
Okay. All right.
Appreciate
All right,
you.
no
man.
problem.
No problem.
Really
No problem.
appreciate
No
you.
problem.
All right, y'all have a good one, okay?
You too. All right. I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. Walk off.
I was going to say Denny's, but that's even better. I did. A lot of bickering going on.
Do what I got to do.
Well, yeah, like I said, you can have a one-on-one session with him. I'll have a one-on-one session with her, and maybe we can just come together and, have it as a joint counsel session.
Okay.
Plan for something and you sit here, you're not even keeping your word. So what do you want me to tell Pastor Joy? Oh my God, I just can't with you. All right. Bye. I don't know what I'm going to do today. I didn't go to church. Darn it, I was going to show up in that church by myself after said had these people thinking we needed counseling. Oh, Lord. Come in.
Mrs. Sylvia.
Hey, Pastor Joy, how you doing?
Doing all right.
Where's the first lady?
Oh,
Jasmine.
she to the house.
Oh, okay.
I was in town. Just stopping by.
I already know. You wondering why we didn't show up at church today. I know we had counseling. Once again, my husband. Would you like to have a seat?
Sure. I came as quick as I can. What's going on?
Thank you, Pastor. I'm worried. I've been trying to reach Sid all day. He's not returning my calls, my text messages.
I did the same thing. I tried to call him. You're not returning my call. I was figuring what's going on.
I'm trying. God knows I'm trying not to stress and worry about this man. I really love this man. That's why I married said Pastor Joy. But he have been just pushing me away.
Why?
He's been doing it since we've been married. I just can't get no act right from my husband.
He shouldn't be like that.
I know I'm about lost for words. I don't know whether to be worried about him or should I just move on. I'm at this stage and in my mind, when you love someone, you just can't give up on them. And I don't know what else to do. He don't compliment me no more. He just don't care.
Well, oh man, I need to talk to him.
Good luck on that.
Oh man. So, what's going on with you?
I'm tired. I'm depressed. I'm stressing. Can't keep my food down. I'm just going through so much emotionally. And it's like when I'm crying out to him, it's like he don't even hear my cries.
Well, that's why I'm here.
But you are a counselor. You know, that's why I trust talking to you. I really feel comfortable just being me around you. But I don't know what to do.
That's why I'm here.
Here I am. Anyway.
Oh, man, I don't know.
Oh my God. Oh, come on, you gotta get out of here. Hello, Pastor Joy. Yes. Are you busy? I really do need to talk to you. This is very important. Yes, I just need to let you know that I'm pregnant. I know you're the only guy that I've been with within the last 3 months. I haven't even touched my husband, and you should have known that. Not to only top it off, I go to the doctor and find out that I am HIV positive. So do you want to explain this shit to me? Oh no, you're not going to start acting like you're holy. No, we're not going to have those games. No, we're not. Because if you were so holy, we would have never messed around in the first place. So can you tell me where I get this shit from? Of course I'm angry. You should be angry. I have no reason to play mind games with you. I'm sitting here looking at the test results. I could care less what you tell your wife. That's your job. I'm trying to figure out why did you give this shit to me? And now I have to tell my fucking husband. Are you serious? I'm not supposed to care about. I don't give a damn about you. Damn you. Oh, God. Well, that lunch date went well. I don't understand. I don't know my husband. He didn't even have time to walk me into the house to see how far I've got, which I haven't got that far. But the good thing is, I got him to believe that this baby is his. I don't know how I'm going to tell him I got HIV. Let me go ahead and start putting some of this stuff up while I think about what I'm going to say. Where this box come from? I don't remember packing this. What the hell? HIV testing results. Cedric Winsley, January 14th, 2014. On this day, Cedric Winsley tested positive for HIV. So you fucking telling me
This man had AIDS 3 years ago. We only been encountered with each other for a year and a half, married a year, and he never told me he had AIDS. So all the while I'm sitting here wondering how the hell I'm going to tell him I got this shit, and he already fucking knows it. So this explains why he's never around. And this explains why he keep moving from town to damn time, and I could never get him to be still. Oh my God. And I gave it to Pastor Joy. I'm so sorry. Oh my God.
Can't believe he would do this to me. After all the hard work, blood, sweat, and tears I brought into this marriage. And he would betray me by giving me HIV. I don't know what to do. Tried to bury his kids and couldn't have kids, and now I know why. But I'm not gonna fret, cause I'm about to take him for everything.
So what brings you into the chapel, my child?
I came to repent. I did something that as a pastor I shouldn't did.
Speak on, my child.
I cheated on my wife. I lost everything, including my license.
My child, do you are a man of God.
Yes, sir. I just need forgiveness.
No one is perfect, my child. But to know that you are here to repent, I'll pray for you. And I'll ask God to forgive you for your sins.
Thank you.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.